If you still think coding is hard, 2026 is going to be painful, because while you are thinking, somebody else is shipping. In the next 15 minutes, I will teach you 90% of Lovable from zero to building real websites and real apps that look premium. Lovable is an AI platform that allows you to create fancy websites, premium apps, or virtually anything you can think of by generating a few prompts. In this video, I am going to walk you through a complete tutorial how to use Lovable step by step. Booking systems, dashboards, lead trackers, AI assistants, automations. Lovable lets normal people build that by typing in a plain English. And if you can build the faster than everyone else, you win the attention, you win the clients. You can simply sign in or sign up with your Gmail or any email ID. And if you are new to Lovable, you can use my referral link, and if you sign up with my referral link, you will get 10 free credits. Okay, initial screen of Lovable look like this. This is a chat function like other LLMs like ChatGPT and Gemini. And here you need to give instruction whatever you wanted to build. Think of it like a senior app developer. It will follow all your instructions. Like other LLMs, you can attach files and pictures. And if you have specific theme here and specific color for your own website, then you can select. In this Lovable as well, you can talk as well as you can chat when you build the website or apps. Let's go to settings, and then here you can select settings. Here in the setting, you can change the workspace name, and also you can give the workspace description, and you can also invite other people as well in your project. And here is the plans and credit. So in initial version, you will get every day 5 free credits. If you will not use, it will not roll it out. And the pro version starts with the $25 per month. Business version is $50 per month. Lovable AI and Lovable Cloud are my favorite features of Lovable. And I will show you in the detail when I will build the website and when I build the app, how we can use Lovable Cloud and Lovable AI. Basically, Lovable Cloud is the real app part. Storage, database, edge functions. Lovable AI is like other LLMs where you can chat, you can summarize, and you can ask all other questions like you ask in a ChatGPT or Gemini. And in the privacy and settings, you can change the settings based on your own requirements. And then if you go to connectors, there are different connectors is available. For example, Supabase, Stripe, Lovable AI, Shopify, also N10, Miro, Atlassian, Notion. So you can connect other connectors with the Lovable as well. It will make your life easy. And if you want to back up your code, work with developers and share it with others, then you can connect your GitHub account here as well. Cool. Let's build 3 projects together, and I will explain you in detail why we do each steps. So watch full video, and I will guarantee you will learn something new today. A yoga studio sells one thing: trust and feeling. If your website looks cheap, people don't book, even if your classes are amazing. So we will build premium looking yoga studio website that looks like designed by an agency. I already prepared prompt for you, so I already did hard work for you. So let's paste this prompt here, and then we'll click on execute. And now it will work hard for us and build website based on our instruction. And if you go to the cloud section, here is the cloud. I already enabled cloud. Otherwise, if it will ask, then you can click on enabled, and you can change the design based on your own requirements by simply clicking on the website, or you can select the themes. And if you go to code section, and here they will write all the code for us. I don't know anything about coding, so for me it's always a magic when I see this big code. If you want the full prompt, then you can give me feedback or comment Lovable 2026 in the comment section, and I will send you all the prompts which I will use during this video. And as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, they will use Lovable AI to generate images or follow our instructions. So as you can see, they generated images for our website, and they are using Lovable AI for this. There you have it. It looks premium, polished, and elegant, and they built really good website for us. 20 plus years of experience, 5,000 plus students transformed, classes for every journey, and it's providing all the photos, and also it's giving me all the instruction. Then you can click on instructors, then you will get all details of your all instructors: Maya Patel and her detail, Erin Chen, Sophie Williams. Let's make it more premium. So in the chat section, I will add here, do a premium design polish, and I'm providing few features, and I will execute. Great. Now they added upgraded buttons and hover states, make typography more luxury, improve spacing rhythm between sections, and they add subtle scroll animations. And then if you click, for example, view schedule, then you will find all the schedule for all days, and you can book your free trial by providing your all information. So you can build something similar for your own business. And if you want my help to build premium looking website for your own business, you can contact me on my email. You can find the email in my description tab. Of course, you can change photos of your instructors, and also you can add testimonials based on your own business. Use your own photos, use your own testimonials, change logos, change designs, and you can also upload the photos as well. If you go to design section and then click on the visual edits, then you can simply click on anywhere and then you can change based on your own requirements. Okay, let's publish this website. You can click on publish and then you can give your name, Kanil Yoga Try website, and then you can click on save and it will check if this URL exists. Okay, it's available. Then you can click on publish, and before that you can click on website info, and then you can provide icon, title, description, and also you can share the image. But currently I'm fine with that. And also you can add your custom domain if you have it, but currently I will click on publish. Okay, seems like that we have now website. Let's click on that. Mamma mia, we built website within just 5 minutes, and as you can see, it looks really professional. Why this build? A website is marketing, a booking system is a money, because it turns interest into action. Okay, now in the chat section, I'm pasting another second prompt to build a full stack yoga class booking app for Kanil's Yoga Studio. Use Lovable Cloud for backend. And as you can see in this app, it is using Lovable Cloud to store all the data. And also we are providing other details: public, admin, protected, and the add loading states, empty states, and friendly error message. Let's click on execute, and now it will build app for us. It asks for our permission, so I'll click on allow. So it will use cloud for our app. As you can see, it created database for us. We didn't do anything, we just allowed it. And if you go to cloud section, and here you can find all columns and all the database, bookings, profiles, user roles. Perfect. So they build app for us. This is booking app. So this is not just pretty UI. We will use this and book our class, and we'll see if this update our database or not. Let's get name, kanil@gmail.com, select class type, power yoga, pick a date, 13 January, select time, 10:30 AM, and click on confirm booking. Okay, booking confirmed. Now we'll click on back to home, then we'll go to database, click here. Perfect. As you can see, the database updated, and you can find the name Kanil, email ID, power yoga, booking date, and that's what we want. So that's a real app. So somebody fill the form and you will get all the details in your database. Okay, let's get back to app and try to see view packages. Let's start with monthly unlimited, get started, and again we will try to add. Perfect. Booking confirmed, back to home. Let's check in the database, go to database, click on bookings, refresh. Perfect. So now we have the second line, Kanil123 Gmail, Kanil123, and also we have note. I want to be flexible because I am doing yoga for the first time, and you will find all details here. And that's how you can build a database. You can build a real app for your own business. And also from this admin portal, you can log in and create your own account as well. And like a normal way, like I showed in the build one, then you can click on publish. Okay, now we have this app URL, and yeah, that's functional app is ready. And one thing I would like to show, that here in the security scan, you can see 2 warnings. So in the security folder, you can click on update and it will fix all security action, but it will show after when you publish this website or app. And of course in the analytics section, you can see all viewers, how many visitors are there, views per visit, everything, bounce rate. This is the 2026 skill, turning information into a product. People don't want more info, they want clear answers, and sometimes they want it in audio while driving or walking. Now we will connect 11 labs and Perplexity. So we'll go to settings and then go to connectors, then browse connectors, set up Perplexity, add connection, and we'll go to Perplexity. And you can create API key if you don't have it. Simply go to Perplexity and go to API keys, and then you can click on generate API key and it will give you API keys. And then I will paste API key here. Create, we have Perplexity enabled. Let's do the similar with 11 lab. Go to 11 labs and then create key and then copy that and then go to Lovable and then paste it here and then click on create. Perfect. Now we connected 11 labs and Perplexity with Lovable. So now we have connectors setup done. Okay, now let's go to chat function and then we'll copy this prompt, paste it into Lovable, and provide complete information. And I also mentioned store API keys securely and do not expose them in front end, and then click on execute. I'm really interested for this version because this is pro example where we are using external connectors like 11 labs and Perplexity. Why we use these two connectors? One connector gets the truth from the internet, one connector turns it into a format people actually consume. That's the blueprint of real AI product. Okay, in the first attempt, it seems like they got error, but we don't need to do anything. We just click on try to fix and we'll click on allow this. Okay, they are asking for connect to Perplexity. We just click on connect. Now they are asking for 11 lab connection. Also, we can click on connect. Now it's connected to Perplexity, connected to 11 lab, and also we allowed this cloud. As you can see, both connectors are connected. Now let me fix the button component and create the edge function. It acts like a senior developer and it's just following your instructions. Perfect. So now they build AI briefing tool for us, and also they are providing suggestion. So let's try this AI tools for productivity in 2026 and click on generate. It is researching our topic, now writing our brief, and now it's generating audio. They built 1 minute 20 seconds briefing for us, and let's play it. Hey business owners, if you wanted to upgrade skills of your employees and make them AI ready in 2026, I can also set up workshop for the full day, half day workshop. I can also arrange online workshop for your employees as well. For more details, you can contact me on my email. You can find the full email in my description tab. Let me teach your employees new AI skills, and they will work hard for you and they will generate more revenues for your company.
In the rapidly evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, these innovations focus on automation, predictive planning, and multi-model access to maximize efficiency.
And as you can see, it's really professional, and you can further enhance based on your own selected voice in 11 labs. And also you can add other features. So for example, add briefing history, add audio download feature, show full script. Okay, now we have transcript function as well as download function. Now select the feature of electric vehicle and I will click on generate. You now understand the real Lovable workflow. Chat to build fast, visual edits to polish UI, cloud for real backend, connectors for superpowers, publish plus custom domain when you are ready. Perfect. So they generated audio briefing, the future of electric vehicles. Let's play.
The electric vehicle market is poised for significant transformation in 2026 and beyond. We project US market share to reach approximately 12.
And as you can see, the transcript is rolling down automatically and you have download audio button. That's amazing. Let's click on publish and let's publish the website. And that's how you can create AI briefing as well. And you can change the voice tone as well, energetic, professional, calm. And also if you don't like the first version, you can click on the regenerate and it will regenerate AI briefing for you. And you will find here all the key takeaways as well. That's pretty amazing. If you could build one app that saves your time every day, what app you will build? Hey guys, if you're learning something new today and enjoying my content, then subscribe to my channel. Currently, I'm one-man army show. So I'm writing script, recording the video, editing the video and publish it with you. Subscribing to my channel is the easiest way to support me in my journey.